Display size. Google Pixel 8 is 6.2 inches. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 6.8 inches. Display resolution. Google Pixel 8 is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 428 ppi density. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 1260 into 2844 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. Google Pixel 8 is OLED. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is LTPO OLED. Display protector. Google Pixel 8 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kunlun Glass 2. Operating system. Google Pixel 8 is Android 14. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is EMUI 14.2 International. Chipset. Google Pixel 8 is Google Tensor G3. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kirin 9010. Processor. Google Pixel 8 is Nonacore processor. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is octa-core processor. GPU. Google Pixel 8 is Immortalis G715S MC10. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Maloon 910. RAM. Google Pixel 8 is 8 GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 12 GB. ROM. Google Pixel 8 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Google Pixel 8 is 10.5 MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 13 MP wide-angle camera, with HDR video recordings. Back camera. Google Pixel 8 is 50 MP wide and 12 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 50 MP wide, 48 MP telephoto, and 12.5 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Google Pixel 8 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Google Pixel 8 is 4,575 mAh battery, with 27 watt fast charging. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 5,050 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging. Spec winner.